Hi guys, welcome to my video today. I'm sharing with you my grocery haul for the week, everything that we're gonna have for breakfast, lunch, and dinners. If you're new to my channel, I like to spend about $200 a week as my budget for all of our groceries for my family of four, me and my husband, myself, and my two boys. So this week I was way under budget at $164, which I love being under budget. I really planned all of the meals out for this week. So let me show you everything we're having. All right, here are all of the groceries from the Walmart grocery pickup. I got 2 boxes of multigrain Cheerios because there is a coupon that you clip electronically and you save $1.50. So whenever I get them, I like to get 2 boxes and save that $1.50. So we are stocked up for a while on Cheerios. I got a big thing of strawberries, a big thing of blueberries, lots of fruit. We eat tons of fruit. A bunch of apples. I got 10 apples. We get the pink lady kind, lots of bananas, also some avocados over here. So I got some ground turkey. So this is 3 pounds of ground turkey. And I'm going to use this I make taco meat ahead of time and freeze it into portions about 1 pound at a time. So I'm going to make some taco meat because we do tons of tacos. I have regular chicken breast and chicken thighs that we'll have for dinners this week. Here's our milk. We do whole milk, and then my husband does almond milk. Lots of yogurts this week. So I got just regular Greek vanilla yogurt for the kids. And then this brand, this Too Good, there's only 2 grams of sugar per serving. So we love this. These ones that come in the cups are just really great for my husband to throw into his lunches. And then I got the big size also that we can have just at home. And I got this protein oats and dark chocolate. I am trying to get way more protein lately. So I'm going to add this into the yogurt. So I'm super excited to try that. 13 grams of protein per serving. So very excited. Also some cottage cheese, my favorite snack. These here are these water enhancers. This is a pineapple mango. And then this electrolyte one is mixed berry. And you just put a little squirt into your water and it just makes it so good. It really helps me when I need to drink lots more water. 2 packets of taco seasoning for the taco meat that I will make and prep up for the week. Some soft tortilla bowls. These are so fun. My kids love these. They are like a little tostada bowl, soft. They make mini ones also, but they're harder to find. So this is the regular size. I got maple sausage links that we love for breakfast. I got some macaroni spirals. This is what my kids love. They don't like the regular macaroni anymore. Now they only want spirals every time. I got some broccoli. I got these yogurt tubes. These are my kids' favorites. I freeze these and they have them usually after dinner. They have a good dinner. I got these carb balanced tortillas. These are 1 carb per tortilla. And this is kind of the taco size. It's a little bit smaller. I usually get the burrito size, but they were out. So I thought we would get this smaller size for this week and try them out. I got some lettuce. We'll do chicken Caesar salad one night. For dinner, this is my favorite Caesar dressing. It is so good. It is thick and has so much flavor. It's definitely my favorite by far. I got some sugar-free syrup to put into the pantry because I pulled the one out and have it in the refrigerator now that the boys are having with their breakfast. Black beans, we eat lots of black beans. I got some teriyaki sauce that I will use for the chicken thighs. Popcorn, a huge favorite for snacking in my family. Everybody loves popcorn, so always get lots of that. Some croutons for the Caesar salad. And some bread for my kids' sandwiches that I make, peanut butter sandwiches that they take to school for their lunches. So this is everything that we're going to have for dinners. We're going to do tacos. We're going to do chicken breasts with chicken Caesar salad, and then we'll do chicken breasts with broccoli, rice bowls one night. We'll do chicken thighs as well, teriyaki chicken thighs. They are super good and just really great to prep all of that up for the week. My husband can take a bunch of that for lunches for work as well. The boys love spirals, so we'll do spirals and frozen meatballs another night this week for dinner. And then our carb balance whole wheat tortillas, these will be for taco night for my husband and I, and then the boys will use these soft tortilla bowls. So this is everything we're having for the week. I hope you enjoyed this week's grocery haul. The boys are going to be out of school next week, so I know I'm going to start going over budget once they get out of school because they're just going to want to eat all day. So definitely going to have to get more food. But this week, definitely under budget, which I love. So thanks for being here. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.